Hello, how to solve root x divided by x equals 3, solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So let's start with this method. I divide this by 1. I can cross multiply. Root x times 1. I have root x equals x times 3. I have 3x. Now the square root here, I can decide to take the squares of the part of this equation. Now remember, if you have square root of a raised to the power of 2, this will give you a because this eliminates this. So that means we have this cancel this. I have x equals, for this, if you have a times b raised to the power of 2, this is just like writing a squared times b squared, distributing the power to each of the terms here. So we have 3 power 2 times x power 2. So from here, I have x equals 3 power 2, that is 9 times x squared. So from here, I can have x equals 9 times x squared, that is 9x squared. So what I can do will be to solve for x from here. If you have x equals 9x squared, you can do it in two ways. The first one is divide this by x, divide this by x, x eliminate x, I have 1 equals, this is 9x squared divided by x. So one of the x here cancel one of the x here. I have 9x. So at this point, I can solve for x. I have that is 9x equals 1. I divide this by 9, divide this by 9. 9 eliminates 9. So I simply have x equals 1 over 9. Now, but I can also solve this by forming a quadratic equation. I move x over here. So I have 0 equals 9x squared minus x, meaning 9x squared minus x equals 0. I can factor out x of x times 9x squared divided by x. I have 9x minus x divided by x. I have 1. And this equals 0. So at this point, I have x equals 0. I also have 9x minus 1 equals 0. So if x equals 0, this is solved already. For this, I can solve for x by moving negative 1 over here. I have 9x equals 1. I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. So write down 9 eliminates 9. I have x equals 1 over 9. So I have two values for x here, x equals 0 and x equals 1 over 9. Now let's solve this whole equation using a different method. This is square root of x divided by x equals 3. And remember, we have square root of a. This is just like writing a power 1 over 2. So square root of x is just like writing x power 1 over 2. This is divided by x. And this equals 3. Now this x is raised to the power of 1. Remember, if you have a power n divided by a power m, this equals a power n minus m. So what this simply means is that I can have x power 1 over 2 minus 1, and this equals 3. So you have 1 over 2 minus 1. This is negative 1 over 2. You have 1 over 2 minus 1, this over 1. LCM here. So the LCM here is 2. I have 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times 1, I have 1. Minus 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 times 1, I have 2. So this is just like writing 1 minus 2. This is negative 1 over 2. So that is 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2. I have x power negative 1 over 2 equals 3. So what I can do is to eliminate this by taking the squares. I can decide to take the squares of x power negative 1 over 2. This is raised to the power of 2 equals 3. This is raised to the power of 2. So remember, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So applying that means I have negative 1 over 2 times 2. Of x power is negative 2 over 2. And this is 3 power 2, that is 9. So negative 2 over 2 is negative 1. That means I'm going to have x power negative 1. And this equals 9. Remember, if you have a power negative 1, this 1 over a. So this means 1 over x equals 9. And this 9 is over 1. I can cross multiply. So what happens is that I have x times 9. That's 9x equals 1 times 1. I have 1. Can solve for x. Dividing this by 9. Dividing this by 9. 9 eliminate 9. I have x equals 1 over 9. So this is another method of solving this problem. And in total, we have two different solutions. We have x equals 0. We have x equals 1 over 9. Now, if you have square root of x divided by x, this equals 3. If x is 0, you have square root of 0 divided by 0. This equals 3. And square root of 0 is 0 divided by 0. This equals to 0 divided by 0 is undefined, so this is not 3. Let's consider when x equals 1 over 9. You have square root of 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 9 equals 3. 1 over 9, the square root of 1 over 9 simply means square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 divided by 1 divided by 9 equals 3. So square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 9 is 3 divided by 1 divided by 9 equals 3. So from here, if you have a divided by b divided by c divided by d, this equals to a divided by b times d divided by c. So this is 1 divided by 3 times 9 divided by 1 equals 3. 9 times 1. This is 9 divided by 3 times 1. Have 3 equals 3. So from here, 9 divided by 3 is 3 and this equals 3. So I can say that the only value of x that satisfies this equation is when x equals 3. So guys, this is it, the only value of x that satisfies this equation. So what we can do now is to agree that there's no other solution apart from x equals 3. If there's anyone, let us know in the comment box. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.